Hey guys, wanted to do a video on some of the current energy that I'm experiencing that I was actually sort of told before, but it's like past energy, and it's sort of energy that's helping you like connect the dots for certain things, like certain issues or certain things that you've done in the past. These things coming up for you to help connect the dot to understand better certain matters that may be happening or may have happened in your life. A lot of it's coming up, and this energy is like helping you realize something. Like say you were like angry at a time and you never understood why you were so angry, and this energy is somehow helping you connect the dot, or you may have a dream about it, or you may have a sudden realization about it, and it's helping you really see clearly of why you are that way, or why you have this issue, why you're dealing with certain issues, maybe in relationships or family-wise. You will see that something will come up and help you see clearly on that matter. Help you understand better as to why you're like that or why you're experiencing that. Not in a bad way, but like something like that will come up. So like, expect, you might be expecting something like this to happen during this time. There's a lot of isolation happening, so maybe it's due to that. You never know. But expect some of the energy to possibly come up, and it will just help connect the dots with you. Some of it may be emotional, some of it may be heartbreaking. My advice, because I was told before that it was emotional energy, for myself especially, so basically like it will cause some emotions to come up. You may not like it, and that's understandable, but it just helps you see clearly on something, helps you understand something. It'll help you sort of just puzzle things together, put the pieces together. And some of it's heartbreaking. Like something I realized by myself it's not very good. It's something that's very, it's dark, honestly. And it's from my childhood. So something like that will probably come up for you, or maybe something that's you don't remember happening that's coming back. It's to help you heal from it, so you can let it go and recover from that, build from there, and start over in a better way. Instead of having that in the back of your mind, you will finally understand certain energies or certain ways, certain things about yourself. It's a puzzle, guys. We're all trying to figure this out, and that's one thing that's going to come up and help you. It might going to come up and help you see clearly on, and help you understand. So, my advice would be to actually process it, deal with it, accept it, and heal from it. Of course, we can't move on and forget about it. So just always try to heal, evolve, and make yourself better. Don't hold on to things, even if it's old. Let this come up now and help you through it. And I'm going to post a video later. I wanted to get more sort of, I guess, advice or sort of more signs for my guides. I'm trying to do things a little bit differently, see if I need to do things a little bit differently. Pertaining to this channel, I was going to work on a couple of things, and I don't want to say what, because I don't want to make any broken promises or anything. But I wanted to actually do something pertaining to myself as well. Tell you guys a little bit more about myself, or reveal a little bit more. But I'm going to get more confirmations about that. Hope you guys stay safe. Sending a lot of love to you all. Be careful out there.